Happy New Year 2025 and welcome back to my channel, lovely. So this is my first video of this year. Obviously you know I make beginner friendly videos, and what's special about this video today, we are going to learn this spotlight eye makeup or hollow eye makeup with just one brush. How is that possible? Let me show you how. So what you need to do, go and grab your eyeshadow applicator. If you don't have it, get it from a dollar store or pharmacy or your nearest chemist warehouse if you're in Australia. So what I'm doing, I went with a dark brown eyeshadow, which is Disturb Pan from Anastasia Sultry Palette, my favorite palette, and I just packed the shade in outer corner and inner corner of my eye. You can see how easy it is. Try to spread the shade as much as you can so that it's less of blending, and after that add a shimmer shade, just pack it in the center of the eye, and you can see once all three shades are packed, just use one blending brush which is from Morphe. You can use any blending brush and just blend three things together. You can see I'm slowly blending from the outer corner towards the inner, adding on the shimmer on top, and just so that it looks blended. Wherever you think the shadow is harsh or is creasing, just add a little bit more of brown shade and blend all three together. I am using white matte shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, and you can see we are not using a brush, we are using eyeshadow applicator. Even for the lower lash line, it is so easy to blend with eyeshadow applicator. Just pack it and bring it outwards, and then I went in with a glitter to pop that spotlight or hollow eye look and pack it with my finger. This is absolutely easy. See, the look is done. You are all set. Just apply mascara and kohl. You are all ready for your eye look. And I am ending this look with some tightening of my waterline by adding kohl in the upper lid, and then I'm going to apply some mascara. Obviously I love falsies. You can avoid these steps, but obviously you will need mascara because it looks really nice with mascara. I'm using Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I like to coat it first and then I go with falsies. Look at this. This is such a pretty look for party, bridal, or wherever you want to wear it. It's up to you. But if you love my content, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next video.